Hello guys, welcome back to my video. This is another fix video for GTA 5. So I will explain you how to fix this type of error. Activation required an internet connection and you are currently in offline mode, or this error offline mode on the social club, and this social club offline mode error fix. So just follow my instructions. This is very easy steps I will show you. It's very easy. You have nothing to do. Okay, now you have to go into your documents, into your Rockstar games, folder, into the GTA 5 folder. You see the profiles, lots of profiles. You have not to delete them. You just back and you just delete the social club folder here in the Rockstar folder in the documents. You have to delete this. Just delete it permanently and switch off, and then start GTA 5. This time starting. Okay, let's say it will ask you again for the user ID and password, and the main thing is you have to remember. The main thing is, I will explain you just a bit. Okay, you have to remember the one thing and one thing only. You have to remove the tick mark on auto sign in. This is the main reason why this game has this error. So it's the fix. You just don't auto sign in and then put it your password. Okay, and I'm not a robot. Just give the captcha and sign in. You will be signed in very well. I will. Okay, just see. Okay, crosswalks. Okay, done. Verify and sign in. You will see your account is easily signed in and no error will be shown. Hence, the fix is fixed. The problem is fixed. So see you in the next video, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe me. This is the another fix video issues of GTA 5. So bye bye guys, see you.